Hello, grade 1. Welcome to the maths class. So, children, in today's session, we'll continue with the same topic that is all about shapes. As you know, that shapes are all around us. If you look around, all the things are of different shapes. So, children, we did plane shapes or 2D shapes in previous session. And today, we are going to learn about solid shapes. So, let's begin. What are solid shapes? Let us understand with an example. As you can see, this is a picture of square. If I ask, can you put anything in this shape? Answer is no, because it is a plane or flat figure. We cannot put anything in this kind of shape. If I ask, can you put anything in this shape? Answer is yes, you can put something in this shape. So such shapes where you can put anything are solid shapes. Objects that occupy space are called solid shapes. Solid shapes are also known as 3D shapes. Why these shapes are called 3D? Let us understand. 3D shapes have 3 dimensions: length, breadth, and height. That's why these shapes are called 3D. As we have learnt, in 2D shapes, there are 2 dimensions, that is length and breadth. That's why these shapes are called 2D. And in 3D, there are 3 dimensions. That's why these shapes are called 3D. As you can see, this is a picture of glass. If I ask that can you put anything in this shape? Answer is yes, because it occupies space and it has 3 dimensions, that is length, breadth and height. Children, examples of solid shapes are cube, cuboid, sphere, cone, etc. There are some key features in 3D shapes. So let us understand one by one as we have learnt in 2D shapes. So let's just take a quick recap. The first one is edge, face and vertex. So as you know that these lines are called edges and edges are also called sides. Now the second one is face. The colored portion is called face. And the point where two sides meet is called vertex. And vertex is known as corners also. So these are the 3 key features, that edge, face and vertex. So children, let us understand 3D shapes one by one. So this is a picture of cube. As you can say, it looks like a square. Basically, it is a combination of number of squares. As you can see, number of squares. It looks like that many squares have come together to give this shape. So let's figure out that how many sides does a cube have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. 12 sides. Now let's count the corners. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 8 corners. And faces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. There are 6 faces, children. So in cube, there are 6 faces, as you can see, 12 edges and 8 corners. So have a look to this video for more clarity. it is clear that a cube has 12 edges, 8 corners and 6 faces. So children, where do we see cubes in our daily life? See, these are the examples of cubes. A dice, ice cube, sugar cubes, chalk box and gift box. So you can see all the things have cube shape, right? So these are the perfect examples of cubes. Second 3D shape is cuboid. A cuboid is very similar to cube. You can say it is a longer cube. If you see, it looks like rectangle in shape, right? Cuboid is made up of number of rectangles, right? So let's figure out the corners, sides and faces of cuboid shape. There are 8 vertices in cuboid shape. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. It has 8 vertices. And sides, how many sides? 12 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. So 12 edges, or you can say sides. Faces, how many faces it has? It has 6 faces. Now have a look on this video for more clarity, children. I hope it is clear, children. So this is an example of cuboid. As you can see, it is a picture of book. So this is a perfect example of cuboid, as there are 6 faces in cuboid shape, as you have learned. See, the first top face and then bottom face. First and second, 2 side face, 3 and 4. 1 back face, 5th, and the last one is front face, that is 6th face, right? So there are 6 faces. Examples of cuboid are matchbox, book, brick, tea pack, suitcase and almirah. Children, all these things have cuboid shape, alright. And these examples we can see in our daily life also. So children, difference between cube and cuboid, as there are same features, 8 corners, 12 sides and 6 faces. But the basic difference is that it is made up of rectangles. So that's why all faces and edges of cuboid are not equal. And it is made up of squares. So that's why all faces and edges of cube are equal. Alright. So now let us learn how to draw and define cube and cuboid on copy. Write today's date, day and classwork. Give the heading 3D shapes. Draw and define solid shapes with examples. So children, as we have just learnt about cube and cuboid, so these shapes you have to draw in the maths notebook. Alright, cube and cuboid. Now how will you draw these shapes? Children, there is a video. After this page, there is a video. With the help of the video, you can easily draw cube and cuboid. Alright, so just have a look.
First we will draw a cube. To draw a cube, we will draw one square here. We will take 4 boxes from here. 1, 2, 3 and 4. And as you know, all the sides of a square are equal. So we will take 4 boxes from this side. And 1, 2, 3, 4 boxes from this side. And 4 boxes from this side. Now it is a square. Now from the center of this square we will draw one more square. And we will take 4 boxes. Now we will join the corners of both the squares. From here, this and this, this and this, and this and this. Our cube is ready. Now we will write faces. A cube has 6 faces, edges. How many edges? A cube has 12 edges. Vertices. Vertices means corners. A cube has 8 vertices. Next we will draw a cuboid. Here we will write cuboid. To draw a cuboid, first of all we will write one rectangle. We will take 6 boxes from this side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. And 4 boxes from this side. And in rectangle, opposite sides are equal. So, we will take 4 boxes from this side. And 6 boxes from here. And draw a line. Next, we will draw one more rectangle from the center of the first rectangle. We will take 6 boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. And draw a line. And from this side, 4 boxes. Now see carefully how I am going to join these 2 rectangles. We will join the corners. And our cuboid is ready. Here we will write faces. How many faces has a cuboid? 6 faces. Edges. 12. And vertices 8.